Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Arpita from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today topic is Kruskal algorithms. Introduction to Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm is a popular algorithm used to find the maximum spacing tree of a connected undirected graph. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಆಲ್ಗರಿಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಅನ್ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾತ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The algorithm is based on grade approach, which means it builds the MST by adding the smallest edges available at each steps. Key concept. The minimum spacing tree contains all verticals in a graph with the minimum total edge weight. The algorithm relies on the union find data structure to efficiently manage the connected component of the graph. Understanding the concept of weighted ending and cycles is crucial for implementing the algorithm correctly. Steps of critical algorithm. Start by sorting all edges in the graph in non-directed order of their weight. That means we start the edges of the given graph. Okay, and add edges to the MST if they do not form a cycle using the union field structure to track connected component. Union find data structure. The union find data structure helps in efficiently managing and merging disappointment set. It consists of two main operations: find, which determines the root of set, and union, which merge two sets. Path comparison of union by rank or optimizing that improve the efficiency of these operations. Example graph. Consider a simple understood graph with vertices A, B, C and edge which weighted. The edge might be represented as AB of 1, AC of 3, AB of AC of 2. This example will illustrate how Kruskal algorithm select edges to form the MST. Sorting edges. The first step to sort the edges by their weighting in non-decreasing order. For the example, adjust the sorted order in AB of 1, AC of 2, BC of 2 and AC of 3. Sorting ensures that the algorithm always consider the smallest edges available first. Building the MST. After sorting, begin add the edges to the MST. Starting from the smallest edges, add edge AB of 1 as it does not create a cycle. Now the MST include AB. Next, add edge AC of 2 which also do not create a cycle. The MST no contain AB and BC. Avoiding cycle. The union find structure help detect cycle when the attempts to the add an edge. If adding an edge connected two vertex already in the same set, it creates a cycle and is excluded. In this ensure that MST remains a cycle while connecting all vertex with the minimum weight. Finishing the MST. Continue the process until the MST as V minus 1 edge when V is the number of vertex in the graph. Time complexity. The time complexity of the Kruskal algorithm primarily determined by the sorting step, which is 0 theta of E log E. Application of Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm is widely used in network design such as telecommunication and computer network. It can also applied in a geographical mapping problems.